Gavalier Malmi, Wordless Feelings. Wordless Feelings, Gavalier Malmi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Is there any system or is there any method that we can express our ideas for someone without using words and without facing the other people?
Yes.
Yes, there is a method and it is called emojis. Toastmaster of the day and fellow Cavaliers. Have you thought adding an icon at the end of your sentence will have a different meaning to your text message? If you dig deeper, you will realize that emojis are a representation of the psychological trends in one's behavior which are responsive to their behavior. So, let's see, what is an emoji? Emojis came from Japanese language and E stands for picture, Mo for writing, and G for character. Here it creates emoji. And emojis are emotion communicators in virtually. Whatever you want to say, you can substitute it with the emoji. If you want to give a high five, you have the clap emoji. If you want to show the disappointment, you have that hand on face emoji. If you want to say that you don't do anything, you have this emoji. And especially, if you want to say how much you love someone, you have that kiss emoji and heart emoji and couple emoji. Linguists said that emojis try to solve one of the biggest problems in writing online, that we have the words, but we don't have the tone of the voice. As an example, if you ask me, are you okay? I can answer the question saying, I'm okay, using two different emojis. If I say, I'm okay with slightly smiling emoji, it means that, yes, I'm okay and there's nothing wrong with me. But if I say, I'm okay with upside down emoji, it says that I'm not actually okay and I'm not fixed to this context. The communication system is developed day by day and new emojis are introduced to the system. Among that, the caring emoji was introduced in this quarantine period. The main idea of this caring emoji is, even we are apart physically, we are in together mentally. And also, Facebook recently improved their like button by introducing a new set of emojis. Recently, I saw a meme about that. It says that this set of emojis, which we use as reactions, is an identification of relationship status from beginning to end. Also, this wordless feelings has the tendency to mistranslate your idea when you're trying to give it from Android to iOS. Also, overuse of emojis will judge you and it gives an idea like either you're robotic or you're insensitive about this topic. And academics have said that when you use emojis in your emails and other professional genres, it will affect for your job prospect. Finally, I want to say that emojis, which gives this wordless feeling, has become the most comfortable way of communicating in this 21st century. Emojis is a little thing when compared with the other complex things in our life, right? But I want you to say that this emoji can ruin all our persona that we developed for ages in our life. Within one night, when you use an emoji in a wrong way, within one night, your persona can be judged as a wrong person or an immature person. So, I'm saying I want you to tell you to discredit the value of this small thing like emoji. Over to you. Over to you.
Thank you, Gavalier Malmi. So, to start off with your evaluation, Gavalier Malmi, first of all, I should tell hats off for doing such an amazing CC in a virtual platform with the stage movements as much as possible and with your facial expressions. It was really, really nice. Okay, so when I go on with the criteria, your general purpose of the speech was clear, which was to inform the audience, and your specific purpose was also clear, where you used interesting facts about emojis to express your feelings, and you the speech organization supported the speech's specific purpose. The main points and the supporting material contributed to the speech's specific purpose. And the beginning, the body, and the conclusion reinforced the specific purpose, where you had a great beginning to your speech, and you started off by saying how we express our feelings normally with a nice, you used a nice expression in your beginning, and you achieved your specific purpose, and the speaker appeared confident and sincere with minimal nervousness. That is, you had a pleasant smile all throughout your speech, which was really nice to see. Like every one of us, were very we wanted to listen to it and we wanted to watch you talk. It was very nice with your smile, and you were very confident with all the facts that you gave. And the speaker did not rely on notes throughout the speech. So one point where I saw that you could improve was about your facial expressions. So as an example, I will tell, when you were talking about that 2 ways, about how to say I'm okay in 2 different ways using the emojis. So you used 2 ways, such as one way is that you are actually happy and the other way is you are kind of sad. So there you could have used a little bit more facial expressions, like, to say I'm okay in a happy way, like, I'm okay. And to use a sad expression to say that the other I'm okay, like, I'm okay, kind of like that. You could have used a little bit more facial expressions like that. So work on that. But it was like the facial expressions that you had was really nice. Just a little bit more fine tuning would do. And the thing that I liked the most about your speech was the creativity of your speech all throughout. That is, emojis is something that we actually don't think much about in our day-to-day lives, right? We use it so much, but still we don't think about it that much. So Gavalier Malmi, you brought into attention something that we least think about, but what we use like in our everyday lives. So hats off to that. That is really nice. And to simply tell, a summary about your speech, it was a great CC. I enjoyed it so much. It was a speech to inform about emojis, something that I never thought. It actually took me by surprise when you started off talking about emojis. It was really nice. And again, hats off to doing a speech, a CC, a great CC in a virtual platform with all the correct stage movements and the facial expressions. Good luck and great job. Thank you. Over to you, General Evaluation.